Hello, welcome to Urdu accent and pronunciation course, and this is Tariq. How are you today? I hope you all are fine. Today I'm going to teach you how to pronounce this word. It's used for showing time like present, future, or past. In my previous lesson I taught you what. So what does it mean, what? In Urdu, I'm going to ask you what is the meaning and what to say in Urdu. What how to say in Urdu. Please let me know if you in the comment box. But I'm not going to tell you what is the meaning of what in Urdu. I'm going to tell you what is the meaning is and how to pronounce is. Okay, so look at the word. There are two alphabets. There are two alphabets. If you haven't watched alphabets video, so please watch, because it is very necessary to understand this one. Okay, so first alphabet on your left hand, look at your left hand. There are two words, two alphabets, sorry, there are two alphabets. First, hey, hey plus badi ye. So it's really simple. You have to remember how to make this word hey badi ye. And what we say in Urdu, hai, hai, hai is hai. If you don't understand original Urdu, you have to you can follow Roman Urdu, but I'm going to teach you how to write, how to read, and how to pronounce. So make sure you have to understand each and everything, and you have to write down in your notebook, and please pronounce again and again and practice again and again. So is how to pronounce in Urdu. Hey badiye, hai, hai. Okay, you have to open your mouth and say hai. Okay, so it's really simple. In my previous lesson I taught you kya, and this one is hai. That one is what, kya, and this one is hai, is hai, is hai. Okay, so I hope you have learned this, and in my next video I will tell you the next word. So in this series I will teach you how to read, how to write, and how to pronounce. Okay, so don't worry, I'm here to teach you. Don't worry, Urdu is not difficult as you think. Okay, so remember me in your prayer. Allah Hafiz, take care.